Hey kindergarten, so today we are going to be comparing some objects by length and by height. So we're going to start off with number 1 down here, and it says to mark an X on the shorter object. So here we've got 2 crayons, and we have to figure out which crayon is shorter than the other. And what that means is it's not as long. So as we can see, this crayon on the bottom is longer than the one on the top, so this one is shorter. I'm going to put an X through it. Okay, moving across to number 2. Number 2 says to draw a circle around the taller object. So here we have 2 chairs, and it looks like this chair might be used for kids, and this one might be used for grown-ups. I have to draw a circle around the taller chair, so I'm going to circle this one because it is taller than this one. Turn the page. So here, for these next ones, we have to draw a circle around the longer object, or underline them if they are the same. So here, we've got 2 pencils. Which one is longer than the other? Well, if we look, they look like they are exactly the same length. So this pencil and this pencil are the same length. So I am going to underline each pencil. Moving across, we've got a leaf and we've got a twig. So I have to circle the longer object. And it looks like this leaf is longer than this, as we can see. It is longer right here. So I'm going to draw a circle around my leaf. For number 5 and number 6, we have to mark an X on the shorter object, or underline them if both objects are the same height. So here, which of these vases is shorter than the other? So as you can see, this one on the right is taller. So I'm going to put an X through the shorter one right here. Number 6, we have 2 rulers. And we can see that they are exactly the same height. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to underline both of the rulers. All right, nice job. Moving on to number 7, I have to draw an X through the shorter object, or underline them if they are the same. So which of these wrenches is shorter than the other? Okay, so as we can see, the bottom one is shorter than the top one. So I'm going to X through that, and I'm going to circle our longer wrench right there. What about these shoes? Which one is longer than the other? So as you can see, these are 2 different styles of shoe, but they look like they are exactly the same length. Okay, so they're the same length, so I'm going to underline both of them. Okay, moving down to number 9. So here I have to draw an object that is shorter than the cube tower. So this cube tower here has 1, 2, 3 cubes in it. So what do you think we could draw that would be shorter than this cube tower right here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another cube tower. I'm just going to put 2 cubes in it. So 2 cubes at the top. As we can see, this one only has 2 cubes, so it is shorter than the one with 3 cubes. Okay, then over here, number 10, we have to draw an object that is the same length as the spoon. So if I have this spoon here, something that is the same length as it. You can draw whatever you want, but I thought, well, a spoon, maybe we'll go with a fork. So there you go, there's my fork. It's the same length as the spoon. Okay, kindergarten, nice job today, and I will see you next time.